welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my Parkside Drill. Right now I've done this, I've had this drill a while, so it isn't in the thing. Got it from Lidl, nice little drill. There it is, it comes with a charger and drill. One battery. Yeah, but you can get extra batteries. I got this in Lidl. Yeah, nice little drill. It's not fully charged at the moment, as you know. Right, let's proceed. What I'm going to do now is give you a demonstration of how this little Parkside drill works. Yeah, now here I've got a little wire brush. Yeah, now if I get my drill, and I'll just put it back in, tighten it up, locks up, good to go. Right, here we go with our wire brush. Let's put it in, you know, to attach everything to the drill. There we go. Alright, so start off with this little blob. There you go, perfect tool for the job, but it may take you a while. Parkside, yeah? Right, now this bit here adjusts the speed. There, you just hold on to it, twist it, comes out, put it back in, tighten it up, locks up, good to go. On here we have screwdriver and masonry. It doesn't seem to have a hammer. It doesn't have a hammer feature on it. But there, reverse, forward, forward, reverse. Yeah. Light indicator telling you the condition of your battery. As you can see, that's not all that good, as I said earlier. Comes with one bit that sticks in the side there, and the rest of it is just protection. All this rubber lock in case you drop it. So, in all fairness, nice little tool to have around the house just to do your regular DIY stuff. And as I said, one charger, one battery. You just press down on here. Oh, I can't see it properly, this is nuts. Press down, slide your battery out. Press back in, it locks. Yeah, the drill bit that comes with it, it's not in here at the moment, but it's something similar to that, and it just clips in the side like that. Yeah, so on that note, take care, good luck, see you later.